So I'll show you the bug injection method to prepare sugar embedded specimen. So
Buddha was in the one that's on the
first, you prepare buffer solution or water to load carbon film. Where is color film? This is for embedding medium. It's 2% reference, but I usually press solution at a concentration of 3% at the final concentration. It's about 40 or 50 microliter per each, but it doesn't matter so much. So it's okay. It's just new. It's better to show. This is copper grid, but we are usually using molybdenum grid. But anyway, I will show you with copper grid. So
is it carbon cell?
sorry?
Does it have carbon in it?
Yeah.
What's
Over
that?
grid.
Oh, okay.
The shiny one is the carbon.
Shiny one, yeah.
Non-shiny is
I
the
didn't know if it
carbon.
was up.
Shiny side is much flat. But usually the molybdenum grid I'm using is without the up and down, so
Okay,
it
it's
doesn't matter.
symmetrical. Or
Symmetrical. Yeah. So this is carbon film deposited onto mica plates. So this is floated onto water. And when you shine light into floated carbon, you can see the flatness. You can see the dents or some cracks. And you can choose flat area as possible. this, and at this time the carbon film size is up, so the water is replaced by Trollhab solution by touching this. So water is almost exchanged for Trollhab solution. Then the grid is turned over. So after that, the edge of carbon film is turned, so the edge is removed by doing this. Do you have smaller one? Smaller? This one? I didn't ask.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I usually agitate thoroughly like this, which results in a larger amount of crystals on the grid. The crystal solution is injected from backside and then mixed about 10 times. Then I will wait for a while to wait crystal to adhere to the carbon film. In the meantime, I'll prepare something, liquid nitrogen, and something to freeze the specimen.
So how long you wait? 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Before you pour it? I mean, prepare liquid nitrogen and say that, for example, Vitrobot, I mean, takes, for some people takes 10 minutes, for some people takes 30 minutes, right? So it's, I mean, as long as I guess they match.
Usually 3 minutes or something, something like that. But some type of crystals tend not to adhere to the film, so at that time I'll wait 30 minutes or something like that.
Yeah, but I mean, it's only by trial, right? You have to go image, see what you got, and after that adjust it.
So after incubation, excess liquid is removed by pipetting. This and the grid is put onto a filter paper. Like this. And the grid is picked up again. And then the grid is aired like this by shaking for a few seconds or 10 seconds.
So you just shake.
Yeah, something like this. Then put in the liquid nitrogen like this, plunging into liquid nitrogen.
Do you hand plunge into liquid nitrogen?
Yes, yes. As quickly as possible. So this is the bag injection method.